Hey, what's up? Good morning. Happy Monday, January 2nd. Today we're back on a different mountain. It's out Eboshi. Happy New Year, by the way. This is my first snowboarding session for the new year. Today I'm riding a different board than I normally do. A Burton Custom Directional. Lizzie and Isobel are back down in the mountain practicing how to ski. Lizzie learning how to ski today, but today I just want to break in this new board, try it out, see how it feels. It already feels light, a little bit easier to control. I'm gonna do a couple practice laps, ride around, see how it feels, maybe hit a few jumps, maybe not. We'll see how it feels. All right, about to start our first official run of the day. I got 2 GoPros going here and here, you know? We're gonna go down this pretty steep hill, see how Lizzie is doing. So, enjoy the ski angles. Go for it, Lizzie! We'll be right behind you. We have all our support.
you. That's a wrap for today. Gotta find my friends, get some lunch, and we're done. See ya.